So my name is Anett. I'm the career coach for the MSc full-time program. That means I coach students on any career-related topics that they may have throughout the whole program, straight from the beginning until they graduate. One of the main activities I would say that we do is the individual career coaching sessions, but we also do group workshops, of course, on topics that are a little bit more general, like application workshops and interview workshops or career orientation workshops. We organize a lot of recruiting events. Again, that's all optional, but a lot of students pick up on that. So they can meet companies here on campus, recruiters, alumni talks we organize. Sometimes we organize company visits. So all this together really helps the students to find their way a little bit, get ideas which kind of employers are out there, which path could be the right one for me. And this in combination with the individual career coaching sessions leads to a successful career, hopefully at the end. To be able to have a successful career, what they really need to know is what are my skills and my interests. It's really like the basis for a successful career, the self-assessment. And this is something that we basically then do with the students. We sit with them together, either individually or in one of the workshops, to really do career self-assessment. What are my characteristics that I'm really good in? What is the knowledge that I enjoy using as well? Everybody is individual, yeah? In the lectures, they can only teach general knowledge, but everybody has their own skills, interests, deeply rooted values as well. So this is something we discover together with the students. About 50% of the graduates go into consulting, and that hasn't changed for years actually. Apart from that, it kind of splits up a little bit, the rest of the students. So financial services is also very popular, especially here investment banking or private equity is very popular. And also industry, it gets more and more popular. So students start to go into graduate programs, for example at Bosch. But also being an entrepreneurial university, so our students obviously also like to found their own companies or go into an established startup and start a career there, which is often quite quicker. Despite of the economic crisis, we're still happy to see about 94% of our graduates finding a job within 3 months of their graduation. A lot of them even secure their jobs before they even finish their degree. And about 92% also start their career actually in Germany. So a lot of students, international students as well, particularly start their career here because the economic situation is usually quite good in Germany. The job market is quite good in Germany. A lot of the students that decide to do a Master of Science and Management degree come to Germany, particularly because of the very good economy over here. And we're happy to say that about 99, if not 100% of the international students actually do stay in Germany and do find a job in Germany straight after their degree. We really do love working with you students. We know exactly what kind of journey you're currently on because we have so many years of experience. So really your success is our success. So I really look forward to working with you.